Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of multi-cookers with a spotlight on the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Cook Central 6-quart multi-cooker, also known as the MSC-600. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this versatile kitchen appliance brings to the table. The Cuisinart MSC-600 is not just any multi-cooker, it's a powerhouse that combines the functions of a slow cooker, a brown/sauté pan, and a steamer all in one compact design. With a generous 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for families or hosting gatherings. One of the standout features of the MSC-600 is its one-touch mode switching capability. This means that when your recipe calls for combination cooking, like browning meat before slow cooking, you can seamlessly transition between functions without any hassle. This feature is a game changer for those who love to experiment in the kitchen but don't want to juggle multiple pots and pans. The extra-large blue backlit LCD display is another highlight. It makes it incredibly easy to read the time and temperature settings, even from across the room. No more squinting to check if your meal is cooking just right. This display ensures you can keep an eye on your progress without any strain. The removable cooking pot is made from nonstick aluminum, making it not only durable but also user-friendly. The nonstick surface is great for cooking a variety of foods without the fear of them sticking, and the 6-quart size is ample for making everything from hearty stews to large batches of chili. Plus, when you're done cooking, cleaning up is a breeze because the pot is dishwasher safe. The glass lid of the MSC-600 features a cool touch handle, which allows you to monitor your food without the risk of burning your hands. The clear lid provides a great view of your meal as it cooks, so you can see the magic happen without having to lift the lid and lose heat. This multi-cooker is particularly suitable for busy individuals or families who want to prepare healthy, delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. If you're someone who enjoys meal prep, the Cuisinart MSC-600 can help you batch cook your favorite dishes, allowing you to save time during the week. It's also great for those who love to entertain, as you can prepare large quantities of food effortlessly. Let's consider some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day and simply tossing your ingredients into the pot, setting it to the slow cooker function, and letting it work its magic. You could also use it to brown chicken or sauté vegetables for a quick stir-fry, then switch to steaming for a healthy side dish. With a steaming rack included, you can even steam vegetables or fish for a nutritious meal in a matter of minutes. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, the Cuisinart 3-in-1 multi-cooker can adapt to your cooking style, making meal preparation simple and enjoyable. It's a versatile kitchen companion that can handle a variety of cooking methods, ensuring you always have options when it comes to meal planning. In conclusion, the Cuisinart MSC-600 3-in-1 Cook Central multi-cooker is an excellent investment for anyone looking to simplify their cooking process while still enjoying a wide range of culinary options. Its combination of features, including the ease of use and cleanup, makes it a must-have for any kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.